Alright guys, just came pick up another truck for inspection. First truck is done, didn't go through. We'll see what's going on. We'll just get it, bring it to Ford or one of those places to get fixed, whatever's wrong with it. We'll go see where we'll drop this truck off, take the place of that truck. We'll go see what the hell's going on. Get them fixed up, get them all ready for the season. All right, you guys. Load of slushy this morning. So we'll go over to our inspection place and do the switch. And I'll let you guys know what's going on once I get over there. All right, we're just dropping this one off. It's the old girl's turn. We're gonna put her through the inspection. We'll go see what's going on with the other one. I guess it's still inside. So I'll go see. I'll film. I'll tell you guys what's going on once I get inside. Hey guys, just getting back. I completely forgot to film this truck there. We went to inspection with it. Went through inspection, everything. We had a ball joint we had to change it, nothing much. So I'm just getting back here to the shop. I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna have to reload it all up. So I'll show you guys here as I'll put it back in the garage. I'll show you guys what's going on. All right, got the truck in here. I'm gonna load her back up. See how we emptied everything out. Because when we sent it to inspection, we want to make sure nothing gets taken out of it. So we don't take no chance. We unloaded a lot of stuff in here. Look, everything is here. It goes in this truck. All of this. There's a lot of stuff. The spare chains. All the chains that are ready to work. The machines, the chainsaws. A lot of stuff. The ladders, the step ladders here. So all this stuff, we're gonna stick it all back in the truck. Put everything back in. So I'll show you guys here. These go back in the truck too. Put them right in the back right there. Got them in right there. So we got all our chains set up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The big ones on the back. Got a small blower. Spare machine. Get your red mark here. Goes in this truck. This truck is the red truck because each truck has a color. All right, let's get these ladders up on top here. We got a 10-foot and a 12-foot step ladder and a couple ladders. All right, let me set this up here so you guys can see us. All right, guys, this one's all done. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for the last truck here on the end, the dump truck to come in. So that's it. Once that one gets in, I'll let you know how it went. We'll tell you what the bill was. The bill on this one to get it fixed was $545. All right. Don't forget, you guys, like and subscribe and share. And if there's anything you guys want to know, you just let us know. If anything you guys, any questions or anything, just leave them in the comments. And when I hear that song, it reminds me of where I grew up. I grew up in a little village. And there was a little bar when we were really young. We weren't even 18 yet. Us and where we live, you can drink when you're 18. You can go to bars. And this little bar was called the Maple Hotel. Hey. And they had country music in there. And we had one of our friends, his parents had a band. And it was really fun because when I think we were 16, we started going there. They used to let us, 16, 17 maybe. Because the other bar in town was 18. It was 18 everywhere. But the other bar in town, it was one of our friends' parents that owned it, so we weren't allowed to go. But I remember me and my friends would go in and watch this country music. It was really fun. It was a fun time. I had this song here. put too much of that, we'll get demonetized. All right, as I'm working on this diesel motor here, just getting things fixed up, getting things ready, checking everything, make sure everything is good. This thing, I think this thing is a leak in hydraulic fluid. Let's see where we're at here. I think the plug underneath might not be good anymore. Oh, I can't even see it. It's good that it leaks a bit, so that way everything stays oiled under there, but we don't really use our equipment in the winter. We're a seasonal, we do 9 months a season. Then we have 3 months down. Over the years we've learned to run like that, and that's quite okay with us. Quite okay with me, I mean. All right. What's the hours on this thing? 5:63. All right. Trailer's ready. We haven't been using this as much in the last couple of years. We're not doing as many big tree jobs. We used to do more more big tree jobs, but we started slowing down on that. Doing smaller jobs. We figured that might as well, instead of doing one great big job at $22,000, $2,500, $3,000, let's do 5, 6 smaller ones at $500 each. Not as complicated. Sometimes not as complicated, but last couple of years that's what we've been doing, and things have been going really well. We can't complain about it or anything, that's for sure, especially with all the stuff that's been going on the last couple of years. You guys know what I'm talking about, eh? All right. All right, you guys, just went and picked this one up, got all inspected, all done. Garage, we get our stuff done there. Great place. Fixed it all up without it costing a fortune. All right, I'm gonna wash it up, put it back inside. Got her back in. She's back. Went through inspection. She's frozen. Look at that. I'll tell you guys. All right, she's all ready to work. Our yearly inspection is done. She's frozen though, she's frozen. We gotta let her warm up. Hey guys, yeah. We just got this truck back. I'm gonna take a look. I completely forgot there's a chainsaw in here. And the truck sat there for a day and a half. Let's see if anything happened to it. I never even thought of taking it out. Never even thought of it. Everything's still there. The chainsaw pants, the cones, chainsaw, the blower, the little gas tank. Really happy about that. See, everywhere is not criminals. The town we live in is a good town. You can leave stuff around. It won't just disappear. This town where we live in Sherbrooke, Quebec, great town. Great town. All right, you guys. Hey, I'm going over here on the other side. I'm gonna show you guys something. I don't know if you guys, hey, that song there playing, It reminds me a little town where I grew up. We're right on the border, Canada, USA. I had a hell of a good time. That American woman. All right. I don't know if you guys can see those. Get some dried water. We'll just clean it up here a bit. While I'm on this truck here, this is the 2020. I don't know what we got for mileage on it now. Well, we got 12,795 kilometers. Oh, with that, about 7,000 miles, 8,000 miles, something like that. Been a great truck. Haven't had any problems with it so far. We did that and we've had it for a year, almost a year and a half, that one. We haven't had any problems whatsoever with that. No, so far, been a good purchase. Well, we never had a lot of problems with our trucks. Like we have always said, we keep them up to date. We keep them, anything breaks, we fix it right off. This is just a XLT. No, been really good. Anything ever breaks, just get it fixed. Not any harder than that. That way things won't linger. It's like the two trucks went to inspection. Because we have a bunch of trucks we have to have inspected every year. The inspection that we have here, really severe. I mean, really severe. It's a little bit overboard, I'd say. But what do you want? That's the way it is. There's nothing we can do about it. You know one thing for sure. Once you get your truck inspected here and everything is good to go. This one here, we just changed the ball joint. Usually we notice stuff like that because we keep our maintenance. We have a maintenance guy takes care of everything. See this one here, they just got back. See it was all frozen, starting to dry up. I mean dry, it's becoming, it's wet now. This one here, see how she's leaking on the ground? I had a couple little things, I had some lights. Some lights around the cab they had to change. Stupid stuff like that. I think we had to do a couple welds. I think I might have shown you guys this right here. There was some stuff. You fix that, you see where they welded that. See up at the top there where they welded that little part. It's all aluminum. This one here is all aluminum. And I think they did a weld right here. And they cleaned right here, those needed cleaning. So the tailgate should go good this year. Last year we were having a little bit, the guys were saying they're having a little bit of problems with it, but this year she should be good to go. All right. I'll keep going and see what else we see here. Never know what you're gonna hear here, eh? For music. Yeah. Deep Purple. Good stuff. All right, gonna take out what's in here. I don't know if somebody started up their Harley Davidson over there or what there. I don't know if that's a Harley running. Could be Van Halen, Hot for Teacher probably. Good to have this one back. So everything's ready. Went through inspection. Had a hell of a time to get this one through inspection. They wanted us to change a gasket on the motor on the manifold. I mean, that's taking a good part of that motor apart. It was like $3,000–4,000 job. Anyway, I brought it to a garage. Guy, the garage that takes care of all our stuff there, and they did a nice job. They fixed it all up. Beautiful job, beautiful. Fixed it all up for us without us costing us $3,000–4,000. All right, I'll keep going. I'll go put this in the container. Big antennas there. See, they've been moving our snow. Keep this all cleared out in the winter time. All right, let's try to get this in here, see if we can. See, the sun's going down. A bit cold outside. I think it's about minus 15 right now. Something like that. I don't know if I'd ever shown you guys this place in the evening. All lit up, looks really good. All right, let's get back in here. We'll cut this up. Don't forget, you guys, like and subscribe and share. Let's get this channel going. Let's try to make it to 1,000. That would be nice if we could get 1,000 subscriptions there. That'd be really nice. That's our next goal. We're working towards that. All right. Adios, amigos.